Good morning to all my dear students. So, we are now going to start our EVS class, and the lesson that we are going to start is Lesson 1, Parts of our Body. The topic that we are going to discuss for today's class is internal body parts, under which the subtopics will be brain, heart, stomach and lungs. Learning outcomes. At the end of today's explanation, students will be able to understand that brain, heart, stomach and lungs are internal body parts. To tell both external and internal body parts work together to keep us alive and healthy. Let us start the class by underlining the important words in your EVS textbook. Brain, heart, stomach, lungs. You all can underline these 4 words in your EVS textbook. Let us start with the explanation, that is internal body parts. If you look at this diagram, you can see these are the internal human organs. Towards your left hand side, I have shown you brain, liver, pancreas, small intestine, colon. Towards your right hand side are the heart, lungs, stomach and kidneys. However, for today's class, we are going to focus on the 4 important internal organs, which are brain, heart, lungs and stomach. So for today's class, we are going to learn about brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Let us start with the brain. This is the human brain. The brain is the most important part of our body. It lies in the head, which is protected by hard bones. This cover of hard bone is called the skull. So here you can see the skull, the one that is being colored with white. This is the skull which protects the brain. Okay? And this. The brain thinks and controls the functions of other body parts. It also stores information in the form of memories. So this is the human brain. Next we will come to the human heart. This is the human heart. The heart parts. If you look at the diagram, you can see the heart is the part of the circulatory system. It works as a pump, delivering oxygen to various parts of the body by pumping it through its arteria and ventricles. So this is the human heart. These are the blood vessels. The heart is a reddish brown colored. If you look at the picture of the heart, it is a reddish brown colored organ. It is located inside the chest. It pumps the blood to all parts of the body. It is connected to blood vessels which carry blood from and to the heart. So these are the blood vessels, and these blood vessels carry blood from and to the hearts. And the heart works day and night. You can feel your heartbeat by keeping your palms on your chest. The next important body part is the stomach. If you look at the stomach, it looks like a bag, isn't it? It looks like a bag. All the food that we eat goes into the stomach. It is a small bag-like organ located inside your belly. So you can see the belly, you can see a boy. So there in the belly, the stomach is located. So when you eat the food it goes to the stomach where it is gone for digestion. It digests the food and releases energy which is used by our body. So this is how the stomach works. Next is the human lungs. You can see the human lungs. in the picture. There are two lungs present in our chest. There are two lungs towards your left hand side and your right hand side. The oxygen we breathe in from the nose goes to the lungs. The lungs passes this oxygen to bloodstream. In this way, pure blood from the lungs flows into the heart, which pumps it to the other parts of the body. And if you look at the function of the lungs and the heart, we will see that both are related to one another. The lungs purify the blood, and then the heart sends it to the different parts of the body. The purified blood is sent by the heart to the different parts of the body. One very important thing children always remember, both the internal and external body parts work together and they help us to keep us alive. It's not that external body parts work separately and internal body parts work separately. It's not that. Both internal and external body parts, they work together and keeps us alive and healthy. Thus, all the body parts are very, very important. Now, a question time. The question for today is, heart beats faster when which of the following activity is performed? Your options are option 1, running, option 2, sitting, option 3, eating, option 4, reading. Heart beats faster when which of the following activity is performed? 1, running, 2, sitting, 3, eating, and 4, reading. And the correct answer for this is, yes, it is running. So students, with this, I would like to end today's class. Hope you all have understood. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.